And then we're going to begin the seasoning.
Absolutely not. I know y'all saw that Hot Mess Express. We're going to season this thing from beginning to the end, okay? Buttermilk, add 2 eggs, garlic, salt, hot sauce. Let your chicken vibe out in that for about 30 minutes at room temperature. Then we're going to season your flour with all those 12 herbs and spices. Heat your peanut oil in your cast iron skillet to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to pull my chicken out of that egg bath and season it again with salt and pepper before it goes in what? The seasoned flour. Shake that thing up in a paper bag like my grandmama used to do it. Now everybody in the pool, dark meat first, then your white meat goes in. Keep the oil at a temperature between 325 and 350. Cover that thing with a lid, let it go about 12, 18 minutes. Let it cook through, y'all. You know it's done when it's 165. Ain't no pink chicken around here. That's how you do Southern fried chicken. I know I might not be as cute as Paula Patton, honey, but I can fry some chicken. Sorry, Paula. You got to try again.